Hey, what's going on, guys? So you have a Hisense smart TV, the Android TV version. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. So very simple. We're going to go through the settings. Go to your remote, press on the home button. Now from here, what you want to do is you want to go all the way up, and you want to go right there where it says settings, the gear icon. So move over to right there. Press on OK. Now from here, you want to go down to device preferences. Click on OK on the remote. And from here, you want to go all the way down to the very bottom where it says reset. Tap on OK to reset. And then from here, you want to go down one to reset. Click on OK. And then remember, you're going to reset everything. It's going to be, once this is done, go down one and press OK. Let me do it now. What's going to happen is once it's done performing the factory reset, it's going to be as if you bought the TV brand new and took it right out of the box, okay? So when it's done the factory reset, we'll have to choose our language from the very beginning of the setup, right? Good luck. See you on the next one.